So, can you give me a sense of personal experience you've had with NPA, or would that be a non-personal experience? Because you're not, and how much are you aware of that non-personal experience, which is called NPA?
The personal experiences happen in a non-personal context. So there's loads of experiences. I guess I can give you some experiences of what people experience doing like the NPA process, those kind of things. So one of the things that comes to mind is there's all sorts of amazing miracle things happen, there's also ordinary things happen at the same time. One of the ways that we personalise things is that we hold out, we personalise things to other people. We say, I would like to experience something, but their experience is personal to them, not to me. One of my favourite examples of this was a guy who was in a workshop and everyone was really, really happy and really in a loving space, and he was like, had his arms crossed and was like, oh my god, you know, I can't do this. And I spoke to him and said, okay, what's going on for you? And he said, I see everyone all full of this love stuff. You all have it, I've never experienced it. I pay money, come to workshops, and I still don't experience this love. I said, you classically are holding out, you've personalised love to everybody else. So we went through the simple 6-line process. I'll give it to you now. It was simply this love, this energy of love, this pure energy of love is not personal. He's saying it with me. This pure energy of love is not personal. This pure energy of love is not personal, and I am willing to experience it. When he said those words, it seemed like just a silly bunch of words to him. What happened is it was like collapsed down. Anger came up, rage came through, all sorts of things. And about 8 minutes later, literally he was like this, hunkered down. His eyes came up like this, and a smile came across his face, and everyone in that room knew that this guy had let love in for the first time. And it was just so simple, a few simple lines. So that's one of the classic examples of it's really straightforward. I caught up with the guy like a year later, right, with his wife, and I said, oh, you know, how do you experience love? And he says, I take it for granted now. I looked at his wife, he said, yeah, he does, yeah.
Did you take that personally?
Absolutely, that was all about me. But it's a beautiful thing.
Now, are you guys doing this in Canada, or what's happening here?
Yeah, right now.
Because you're from
Canada.
the UK.
I'm from the UK. I'm over in Canada for about a month. So this weekend I'm in Toronto. That's where I am. I'm in Toronto. And next weekend, 1st and 2nd of June, we're going to be in Calgary. And then after that, into Vancouver. So we do what we call the NPA Expansive Weekend. It's a chance to learn how to let the process be really easy, and then expand beyond that into the relational realm, letting go of conflict, these kind of things. More than anything else, it helps you to really do the process. The process helps your mind open into a space of this non-personal awareness itself.
Okay. Well, I enjoyed this interview because I didn't really take it personally.
Yay!
And so your website again would be?
nonpersonalawareness.com.